Yeah, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can uninstall your PC games on Windows. So it's pretty simple. So you want to click on this little search icon at the bottom left of your screen and then just search for settings. Once you search for settings, click on it and open up your settings. Now from inside settings, you want to go on this option called apps. Click on apps. Now once you're inside apps, all of the app and game which is installed on your PC is going to be shown over here. Now from here, you can scroll a bit down until you find the game which you want to uninstall. So let's say for an example, I want to uninstall a game called Roblox. So I can search for it over here, but if I can't find it, I can just click on the search icon and type the game's name. Once I type it, the game is going to be displayed over here. I can click on the game and click on uninstall, click on uninstall again, the game will be uninstalled. That's how you guys can uninstall game on your Windows PC. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. And as you guys can see, my game is currently being uninstalled, and after this process is complete, it'll completely be removed from my PC. So that's it.